Hi guys, today I'm discussing about that how we can activate for the in any news portal browser notification. Simple, I'm just open for the one of the news portal. We can open for V6 News, another news channels. So when open the channel, you get the one pop-up notification, like is a browser push notification option. So how we can enable on your particular website. So in this one, so how we can activate, so how we can activate that in your particular news portal. So how you can getting for push notification for any user coming to your website. So there is a benefit for here is the push notification option. So how will get the this push notification on your particular website for news portals. Now I'm selecting my news portal website, tollycinenews.com. In this purpose, we have to log in for one signal.com. In this, we have to log in your particular account. We can use for login for first of all, we can go for sign up or we can go in for particular login with your particular in this one signal.com. Just I'm going to the login for one signal.com. Give me the seconds. Here is a login. You can creating for GitHub, Google and Facebook. I'm logging with the Google option. Now after login, they show you like this. Select your website link, paste it, add your web push notification, configure the platform. In this is a simple step we can follow to add the push notification option. In this, setting for typical site, add your website URL, add your website name. Here, upload any icon for your particular input URL, or you can upload for image also. That's all your wish and your things. Here, copy the email address and paste it. Here you can use this one. Your site not full HTTPS. Your site will be full HTTP. Don't select this option. So this is the complete one. Okay. Here is already ready for in this. You get for no thanks allow will be give the push notification option. So we can done will be in this option will be here. Everything done. Finally, here is adding for this option and thank you for subscribe. Open link clicking for notification. Here I'm adding for our website link. This will be showing to the customers and the particular when you get the subscriber. So they're showing for Mac OS, Windows, and Android. They're showing for mobile device and particular Windows system also. So here, complete one important is called. We have anything missing will be here. Compulsory have to fulfill these options. So everything will be done here. Now click for save. Anything will be pending. They will give the notification on your particular option. So here, just click the save option. Code will be given by the this. Just copy this code, place the where on a particular cPanel option. Give me the second. I'm logging for cPanel. Login cPanel. We have to go to the particular position of the file. So they know only for developers who will be make the website. They can easily understand they're making for particular platforms. So here I'm just giving this option will be here. This code always you can add in for header part, common header part. Once configure this one, finish it. Now copy the URL, open incognito window. Here particular some seconds will be there to open for push notification in this particular website. Just we have to scrolling will be here. When scrolling time, people read the content time will get the push notification option. That is a depend on the customer. Once they will allow, they get the news will be updated from the particular mobile and desktop users. But coming to the part of in this notification will be open for particular seconds are there. The seconds will be given by the 20 seconds I'm giving. So you can change it for seconds also. That will show you in the particular onesignal.com. So now in this website, we have notification will be given by the exactly 20 seconds. See this one. You like to send notification for the latest news and updates. If you click for allow, they give you the update from in this. No next, they will be block the your updated notification. This is the method we have to follow the adding for web browser push notification options. In this one, we have any changes are required. So we have all will be all browsers, Apple Safari, Apple iOS, anything required, you can change in this option. You can go to for anything will be here. These all options are given by in this option. Analytics, administrator, here, messagings. If we go for dashboard, everything will be there. So what are the changes are required? Everything will be changes will be here. All browsers will be here. I'm clicking for setting option. So what are the changes here? I'm already showing for how many seconds will be there? 20. Just they will open for 5-second option. Next time this will be open for exactly 5-second option will be given. So this is the way we can activate for your website web push notification option to people retrieve for the latest news and update purpose. Guys, if any required for the particular videos or any further doubts will be required, please contact our channel. Will be support any further assistance required will be there. I will be support for every market, every question answers. I will make the video. I will support by your WhatsApp also will be there. So for the any doubts will be needed, please read on my blogs. In the blogs will be there. You can call or chat with me for the further assistance. If you call not receiver, please contact by WhatsApp chat. I definitely support for further assistance. Please share, like, and subscribe our videos to get the more updates.